Hi guys, welcome to Final Cut Bits. I'm Colin, and in this lesson we're going to show you the best method to cut and trim your clips when you're editing and cutting the footage down. So normally, or what you can do is you want to make a cut, say here. I'm just going to do it randomly. You press Command B, okay, that cuts it. And you want to delete this, you press the delete. Okay, so now you've cut it out. That's 2 steps. It's 1 step too many. You don't have to do it. That's not the fastest way of doing it. When you're editing a big timeline, I just do Shift Z to show the full timeline in view, and Command plus plus to zoom in. Yes, if you want to do fast editing, you find the point you want to cut from. Okay, so say you want to cut this first bit out here. You press Option and left bracket. That just removes the beginning part. Okay, so to cut the beginning of a clip, it's left bracket, and if you want to cut everything from the right of the clip, like say you want to cut the end bit here, this bit out, Option right bracket, and it's simple as that. As you can just cut your clips like butter. And it's really quick to cut bits out that you don't want in. So you just select the clip, left bracket, and you want to cut this bit out as well. And you want to keep trimming your clips until you find the perfect spot, and you just keep going through your footage like that. And it's just the fastest way of doing it. If you've got any suggestions what you want to learn, just leave a comment, and I will look into making a quick short video for it. And if you learn something from this, I really appreciate you subscribe and hit that bell, because I'm going to be posting loads of little tutorials. So thanks for watching. See you soon.